So there's the warranty. Just wanted you guys to hear how it sounds. Now some of that is because I do have an item on there that I didn't screw down, but outside of that, everything else has been perfect. And assembly and instructions, everything put together has been really easy. I did do it by myself. It could have used someone else just a little bit, just because there's times where I couldn't see certain things, but I was able to put it together pretty easily within, say, less than 2 hours, and clean up the room, and that includes cleaning up the room, putting the monitor.
So I hope this is helpful. I too purchased this desk, and after a couple months, one side was lifting, but the other side wasn't raising up they weren't raising up evenly. One side was rising and the other one wasn't. I took the desk apart, and upon taking the desk apart, realized that there is a screw that wasn't fully screwed in properly. And I'm gonna try to show you guys. So here, there's a screw here, and you're supposed to tighten it with this Allen wrench, the little tiny one. It's, if you still have your instructions, it's page 3. There's too much of a glare. Page 3, part.
So I just got this in about a couple weeks ago, and I love it. It is amazing and super durable. It works really great, and it rises really high and goes pretty fast. It's not super slow by any means. As you can see, it's just kind of a button here that goes up